Do you want to add that wow factor to your lawn lighthouse? If so, get ready because I'm going to show you everything you need to know about our Liteman Revolving Beacon, and we're starting right now. What's going on? My name is Kevin and welcome to Lighthouse Man TV, where we make detailed product videos to help inform you, our customers, so you get exactly what you're looking for. In this video, we're going to take a look at our most popular rotating beacon that we sell, and that is the Liteman Revolving Beacon. So let's get to it and dive in. The Liteman Beacon is our most popular rotating beacon. Along with the Deluxe Beacon, the Liteman Beacon is also our most authentic looking beacon that we offer. This beacon features one acrylic bullet Fresnel lens and two mirror backers that helps project the light through the Fresnel lens, thus causing a more concentrated beam of light. The Liteman Beacon revolves approximately 8 times a minute and operates off 120 volt 4-watt, 60 Hz auto troll motor. Now, the Liteman Beacon operates on standard 110 electric and comes with a 25-watt bayonet style bulb. This bulb is a regular incandescent bulb and gives a nice, soft, warm glow. Again, this is not a super bright, annoying, harsh light that is going to upset your neighbors. We also made the electrical hookup super easy with a simple 2-wire connection. The total overall dimension of the Liteman Beacon, including the junction box, is 4 inches in length and width and 6 inches in height. Again, this beacon comes standard with a 25-watt incandescent bulb, but we highly recommend that you upgrade and go with our LED bulb. This bulb is absolutely amazing as it is approximately 2 times brighter than the standard incandescent bulb, making it more equivalent to a 50 or 60-watt bulb. Plus, the LED bulb illuminates a beautiful, bright 6500 Kelvin white light. Now, just to show you how energy efficient our LED bulb is, I installed the 2.5-watt LED bulb in the Liteman Beacon. As you can see, this beacon is not plugged in and there is no power at all going into the beacon. But watch this, if I simply manually turn the beacon, the motor is now creating enough electricity for the LED bulb to light up. Again, this just proves how energy efficient this bulb really is. Our last optional light bulb accessory that you can upgrade to is our halogen bulb. The halogen bulb is super bright and burns 4 times brighter, but it also burns 4 times hotter. So if you select this option, you must allow for proper ventilation in your lighthouse. Again, let me repeat that. You must allow for proper ventilation for this heat to escape. If not, you are essentially creating a small oven that can cause damage to your beacon. Now, to give you a better comparison of our bulbs, I set up 3 Liteman beacons. The first beacon on the far left of the screen features the standard 25-watt incandescent bulb. The second beacon, shown in the middle, features our LED bulb. Again, this is by far our most popular bulb and is highly recommended. Then, the beacon on the right of the screen features our super bright halogen bulb. Now, over the past 20 plus years, one of the biggest questions I always get is, Kevin, which beacon do you recommend? And I always say the same thing, and that is it really does depend on what you're going for. Let me explain. For example, if you want a slower, authentic revolving light, then I always recommend the Liteman Beacon or the Deluxe Beacon, as they are a slower, more authentic light. But if you want something with more light output and you really want to draw attention to your lighthouse, then I recommend the Beacon 01. This beacon is very popular with businesses or trade shows as they are trying to draw attention to their booth or storefront. Now, with our new American beacon, I would totally recommend this beacon for any patriotic style lighthouse because it just screams good old red, white, and blue. Now, like any item that has moving parts, we highly recommend that you do some regular maintenance to keep your beacon up and running smoothly for several years. I recommend that you lubricate the nylon gears and motor shaft with a high quality lithium grease at least 2 times a year. This will keep the gears from dry rotting or breaking down. You can use WD-40, but since this is a liquid lubricant, then I recommend that you apply at least 4 to 5 times a year. Again, the better you take care of this beacon, the longer it's going to last. Now here's another major difference that separates us from everyone else, and that is we carry a full line of in-stock replacement parts for all of our beacons. Thus, we can fully service our customers' needs, so you can rest assured that your beacon will be back up and running in no time. Again, we are the only manufacturer that sells replacement parts. Everyone else just wants you to purchase a brand new unit. Now, we do realize that some of our customers are not comfortable working with electric, let alone connecting wires or installing a beacon themselves. Well, no worries. Here at the Lighthouse Man, we have you covered. Now you can purchase any of our revolving beacons totally 100% wired for you. With this optional package, you will get the following. 1 is, of course, the Liteman beacon. 2 is the junction box where the beacon mounts or fastens to, and where all the electrical connections are made for you. And then 3 is 15 feet of exterior grade wire and plug that you will simply plug into your receptacle. So again, if you're not comfortable working with electric, then don't let that stop you from getting one of our beacons or adding that wow factor to your lighthouse. Rest assured, we will take care of everything for you. Now, before I wrap up this video, I wanted to take a second and show you our Liteman Rotating Beacon with our optional LED bulb in action in one of our deluxe stucco lighthouses. As you can see, our beacons give that wow factor and just add such a beautiful addition to any yard or garden lighthouse. So there you have it. If you really like our Liteman Revolving Beacon and you want to add it to an existing lighthouse, or if you want to add it to a new project, then please order yours today from the Lighthouse Man. If you like this video and found it informative or helpful, then please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Again, we make detailed product videos to help inform you, our customers, so you get exactly what you're looking for. Remember, the Lighthouse Man is the leading manufacturer of custom crafted lawn lighthouses and lighthouse accessories. Thanks again for watching, and God bless.